Electric sharpeners, let's talk about them and why they're so popular. You're always trying to find a blend between quality of edge and ease of use, and electric sharpeners fit that bill perfectly. Angle is everything, whether you're honing your knives on a sharpening steel or you're sharpening knives on a sharpening stone. Without the correct angle, everything is fruitless. For example, cleavers that are going through joints and bones and having heavy use, you may want to sharpen at that 25-degree angle. But a knife that you're going to fillet with, like your favorite salmon or your trout, you'll want to sharpen at a 10 to 15-degree angle. Electric sharpeners solve that because a lot of them, like the basic units here, like the E2, have a fixed system. So basically all you have to do is put your knife in the slot and pull it through. It's basically what we say dummy proof, if you will. Now when you get into the higher quality sharpeners, like the combo sharpener here, it gives you a little bit more versatility. And it is a belt-driven system. Belt-driven system allows you to change the abrasive because as the abrasive wears, you can replace it. So you don't have to replace the sharpener like on some brands when it wears out, you just replace the part. And when you get into the really deluxe units, like the Mark II here, designed by our famous knife designer Ken Onion, this one allows you, by dial, to change the angle. So you get to dictate what's more important to you, durability of edge or sharpness of edge. Electrics blend that best combination of quality of edge, ease of use, and more importantly, everyone's time-starved, quickness of results. WorkSharp is the world's leading provider of sharpening abrasives for cutlery, whether it be sporting knives or kitchen knives. And as we know, a sharp knife is a safe knife, so why not make your kitchen safer?